Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain simple component with basic sketch. I will explain how to create sketch, CAD model and drawing. Let's start now. So I'm going to new file, select front plane, go to sketch, and I'm going to draw this line 6.5 line. So first we need to give the dimension 6.5. See, here I am getting units in inch, in millimeters. So I need to go to settings and convert this into inches. These are in inches, all the dimensions are inches. So I need to go to this dimension, go to properties, units and IPS, and same time here I need up to 2 decimal points, so I have to set this into 2 decimal points. Say OK. So once again I have to overwrite, so it is 6.5. Okay. Now I select this line and select midpoint and control button and select with this origin and make it coincident. So this line is exactly at the center. So next is I am going to draw these two lines, 1 inch line. So these two lines shows black color, but this point at the end showing blue color. It means it is not fully constrained. So once when I give this dimension of 1 inch, it converts to black, so it is fully constrained. So the other side is not constrained. So what we need to do is select this line with control button and select other line and make it equal, so it is fully constrained here. So next I'm going to draw these two lines. Height is 4 inches and width is 1.75. Say OK. From here to here is 1.75. say okay. Now I have to constrain this line also. So select this line with control button and this other line and make it equal, and select this point and this point with control button and make it horizontal. So this is constrained now. Now I'm going to draw these two lines. It is 2.75 it's 2.75. So once again select this line with control button and other line and make it equal. So this is constraint. Now I'm going to draw this T slot. So this distance is 3.5, 1 inch, 1.5, and this is going to be 1. So select this line and make it vertical. Okay. So for easy dimensioning, what we need to do is I have to make these two lines equal. Say okay. These two lines, select these two lines with control button and make it equal. And these two lines and make it equal. Now this dimension is 3.5. And this is 1 inch. And this is 1 inch. So it is fully constrained now. So come out of this sketch. Now save this file. I'm going to save this as part 2. Say okay. Next, see our sketch part is over. Now I'm going to create 3D CAD model. Select the sketch, go to feature and go to extrude. So I will give 10 units. Sorry, 5 units for better understanding. Say okay. So this is done. So if I want to change the color, and from here I can select whichever color I want. So I'm selecting this. So CAD model is done. Once it is done, just save the file. Now I'm going to take drawing file. So this drawing file is ready. So I'm importing the CAD model. Just double click on part 2 and place it here. So keep it as front view. So click on this part and make the custom scale. So still it is becoming bigger one. One is to 2. Okay. So next I have to give the dimensions. It is similar to sketch, but we have to go to annotation smart dimension and we have to give it here. See here also we need to set the dimensions of this template. I mean units of the template. So IPS and set up to 2 decimal. To give show. So now it is 6.5. This is 1.5 and this is 3.5. So I'll keep it as the center and flip this arrow. Okay. This is 1 inch. and here to here is 4. Hit this arrow. This is 2.75. This is 4.75. This is 1 inch. This is 1 inch. Now our drawing is ready as per this requirement. So that's how we have to create 2D sketch, 3D CAD model and 2D drawing. So finally we need to save. Once it is done, we have to save this file with same name. So after saving this file, this sketch is integrated with model and model is integrated with 2D drawing. So this is a parametric model. So if I change any dimension in this sketch, it is going to reflect on the CAD model and this is going to reflect in the drawing. That is how parametric model works in SolidWorks. Thank you very much.